My name is Courtney Orange, a former 6 times national gymnastics champion and professional dancer. Welcome to this 6-part well-being video series. In a world filled with so much overwhelm that is causing so much stress and anxiety, it is fundamental to take care of our emotional, mental, and physical well-being. Throughout this well-being video series that I have creatively crafted, you will take away some positivity processes, a few fun physical formulas, and a couple of resilience remedies that will help you to take on your well-being journeys with a lot more positivity and an enhanced mindset to make you and create you into a better version of yourself. So sit back, or for the benefit of your well-being, stand up and enjoy this well-being video series that I have created for you.